My day-to-day life would be getting up in the morning, getting out the door, getting my run in, trying to get out of the house before the kids wake up with any luck. Then a day of work, finish work, get home, spend time with the kids. We were watching these TikTok videos and he was doing the plank challenge. My lad Mason literally just looked at the video, looked at me and he went, "I bet you can't do that, Dad." I filmed myself doing it. I posted a video on the myWW app. It went nuts. The app's a community. It keeps you accountable, it keeps you laughing. The support in it is insane. You definitely wouldn't have recognised me 12 months ago. I was nearly 24 stone. myWW has completely changed my outlook on food. I wouldn't automatically go for things now that I would before. I went on the blue plan and stuck to my daily points. That was how it all started to drop off. myWW has enabled me to be a better dad, a better husband. There are things that I can do that I never thought I was going to be able to. It's life-changing.